Welcome to the Ahmad Soft and Solution. I am your instructor Ahmad. In this video, we create 9 new tables. These tables are very important for this software. Please watch full video and don't skip it. Let's start to create the table. Create a table with same name. Copy table name. Click to create a table. Click Design Mode. Paste the table name. And click OK. Copy field name. And paste it into the new table. Delete extra field. Click the Save. Copy-paste fields data in the new table. Let's create next new table. Copy table name. Click to create next new table. Click to the Design mode. Paste the table name. And click OK to save. Copy field's name and paste it in the table. Delete the extra field. Click Save. Copy-paste fields data in new table. Watch carefully and don't skip this video. All fields data is very important. Please keep watching this video. Please subscribe us and ask questions and answers for this software in comments. Close this table and save it. Let's create next table. Copy new table name. Create new table. Enter name and save it. Copy-paste field's name. Click Save. Enter all fields data in this table. Enter carefully all data. Save and close this table. Let's create new table. Click to create. Enter the table name and click Save. Enter the field names and save. Enter all fields data in this table and save. Please keep watching this video and don't skip it. Let's create new table. Enter new table name and save. Enter field name and save. Enter carefully all data in this table. Please keep watching this video and don't skip it. After entering all data, save and close. Create next new table. Enter table name and click Save. Enter field name and save. Enter all fields data in this table. Don't skip, please keep watching. Enter carefully all data in this table. All data is important, please don't miss any data. Subscribe us for new informative videos. Click Save and close. Let's create next new table. Copy table name. Click for new table. Enter table name and click Save. Enter field name and save. Keep watching. Enter fields data in the table. Save and close the table. Let's create a new table. Copy table name. Click to create a table. Enter table name and click Save. Enter field name and save. Enter field data in the table. Click to close and save. Create a new table. Copy table name. Click to create a table. Enter table name and click Save. Enter all fields name and save. Keep watching. Watch carefully and don't skip it. All video is important, don't miss. After entering all data, click Save. Enter all fields data in this table carefully. All data is important, don't miss any fields data. Keep watching all video. Please subscribe us for next tutorial. Watch carefully and don't skip it. Don't miss.
After entering all data, click to save.
Thank you for watching.